In this video I'd like to show you the Falstad circuit simulator. This is a very interesting project. It's a circuit simulator, a full circuit simulator, analog and digital, that works live, so you can see the simulation results in real time. You do that basically by clicking each node that you want. Clicking each node and clicking view in new scope. Fucking hell. View new scope. And that will show you the graph at that point. You can also right click and click show current or show voltage or show both. You can pause the simulation, unpause, you can speed it up, slow it down, and it's full of examples. So if you look at one example, op-amps, oscillators, relaxation oscillator. Let's speed it up a little bit. You can see the output on here is a square wave. This voltage, you can see the capacitor is lighting up. So this is the voltage over around the capacitor. For this circuit, for example, let me pause it. Show voltage. Let's set it show voltage here. Show voltage here. Let's get the positive cycle. So the op amp on this cycle is saturated to 15 volts. So you can see this is a voltage divider connected to the output and then to ground. So this will have the voltage at the output. So that is a reference voltage that we have at the positive input. And then as the capacitor charges, this voltage will increase, and when it goes above 7.5, the op amp will invert to -15 and the capacitor will discharge. And then as the voltage goes here below 7.5, well, in that case will be -7.5, because when this is -15, this is -7.5. When this goes below -7.5, then the op amp will invert again to 15, and it will go in a cycle like that, and you can see it in real time as it happens. It has many other examples. You can see, so if we go back, op amps, amplifiers, log amplifier, you can see, so this is the input voltage, this is the output voltage, this is the, well, this is an X versus Y voltage, so this voltage here is X. So if I hover over here, you can see that at the inputs there's an X, and the output is Y, so this is graphing X versus Y. So in order to build a circuit, you right click, you can do add wire, you can add a wire, you can add resistors, you can add passive components, inputs and sources, labels, outputs, active components, you can add diodes, bipolar transistors, MOSFETs, JFETs, and so on. Active building blocks, you can add op amps, analog switch, Smith trigger, comparator, voltage controlled voltage source. It also has, I think, has an OTA as well. I'm sure I've seen an OTA somewhere. Let me see if it's in the examples. Smith devices. Yeah, operational transconductance amplifier, OTA, VCA. Yeah, so this is an OTA. Yeah, so it has many cool examples to play with. You can find this at, if you go on Google and type Falstad circuit simulator, you'll find this. So it's very good for playing around. You can also zoom out and zoom in again. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching.